a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like
actually finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Hergivenhair. Shout out to you, Hergivenhair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Those of you that watch me, you already know your girl loves some Hergivenhair. I just do. Like, I'm rocking with them, and apparently they are rocking with me. So shout out to you, Hergivenhair, once again for this unit. So the unit that I am rocking, it says product type is lace front wig, 13 by 6. Texture is Burmese curly. And the hair color is the color of the picture, and I did get it in a medium cap size. I'm gonna go ahead and go on their site and find this particular unit. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking, oh, I already did all that. Alright, girl, so the unit that I am rocking is their Feelin Myself unit. And I guess 18 inches. I'm not 100% sure. They didn't put it on the card, but I guess it's 18 inches. To me, it's giving longer, but I mean, that's what it says on here. So I'm gonna say that. Okay, so they do have on here that this wig is 150% density. Child, this is 150. This is 150% density. Okay, girl, it's a lot of hair. Okay, they have on here like her story, and I would recommend just going on the site and looking at it and reading more about it. Now, this is a 13 by 6, but I want to say, just kind of point out that it kind of stops here as far as it being able to go really far back. So it stops like right here on either side. But as you guys can see, it can go back pretty far. If you guys watch me, you know I am not a braider, so I did do the little railroad track, the little rubber band method that I normally do on Journey Hair. I did decide to do that instead, just to kind of add some versatility, and I had a whole little look that I was kind of going for, so that's why I did it like this. But this just lets you know that this unit is very versatile. So you can do what you want to with your wig, girl. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, with this wig, it shedded very minimum and it tangled very minimal. Despite the fact that it is a curly wig, there was not a whole lot of that. Now, I did deep condition this unit. I let the conditioner sit on it. Like, I co-washed it, and then I let the conditioner sit on it for a total of 30 minutes. And I got that from their book. So when you get a Hergivenhair unit, they send you a little booklet telling you basically how to care for your hair, which is one thing that I really love about this company. So yeah, that's basically it. As far as it being big head friendly, I am a medium cap size. I do feel like this unit was a little more so on the bigger side than usual. But yeah, I do personally prefer for it to be a little bigger than not. So I do want to throw that out there with the wig, but it is definitely big head friendly. And if I'm not mistaken, you can get this wig in a small, medium, or in large, just depending on what you're looking for and what you're going for. So yeah, that is it for the details and specs. Now we can get into my cons with this wig. Okay, so my one and only con would simply be that I wish this, like the 6 inches went back all the way, like at least to right here. That is the only con that I could personally think of with this wig, because if I wanted to kind of, you know, wear it all the way across, I couldn't, like this style. So that is my one and only con with this particular wig. Just want to throw that out there. Okay, so my pros with this wig are endless. First of all, I want to say I'm wearing this wig glueless. You heard me right, sis. I'm wearing it glueless. Like, she is not on me. Okay, like, so I'm wearing this. That's the first thing. I am wearing this wig glueless. I can't do it up here because I done did some baby hairs. And normally I don't do baby hairs with my Hergivenhair units because they really don't require them. The only reason I did is because I did this particular style, but normally you don't even have to do baby hairs with their wigs. So literally this wig was a throw on and go. I'm wearing it glueless, honey. I ain't got no glue, I ain't got no spray. I don't have anything on this wig. It's just sitting on top of my head. I kid you not. So that is the first pro. The fact that I can wear it glueless is because it was already pre-tweezed and it was already pre-bleached. I didn't have to do any of that either, okay? None of the things, okay? None of the things. And it was pre-tweezed and pre-plucked to perfection. So, shout out to you, boo. Shout out to you, boo. So that is another pro. Like, the pros are endless. Not to mention mention that I really like the hair. Now, granted, I do prefer the kinkier textures, but I did want to try something a little different from this company because I never have. So, I even with that though, I really like the texture of the hair. The hair is really soft. It did not tangle for real. It didn't shed for real. So, shout out to you, boo. And the color is the bomb. And I do feel like it is year-round appropriate. So, those are my pros with this wig. Would I recommend this unit? Yes. There has never been a Hergivenhair unit that I would not recommend. Like, they're just my company. And I have seen people say now,
well, they must be paying y'all good. Y'all, everybody that I watch said the same thing. They must be paying y'all good.
no, the hair is just good. And you get what you pay for. Now, the units are more so on the expensive side. But I feel like you get what you pay for. Like, when I buy a $200 wig, I expect it to be a $200 wig. You know, I expect it to do what $200 hair do. If I buy a $500 wig, I expect it to do what a $500 wig do. That is just kind of how my mindset is. So it just depends on you, where your budget is. But I do feel like you get what you pay for with this company. So yes, I would personally recommend this wig. Alright, honey, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, I would definitely recommend this unit. I would recommend you guys checking her out. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Hergivenhair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love ups next time. Bye.